Let's get into the video now. So here we are asking you to like, share and subscribe. I lost the audio of this, so I'm doing a voiceover. So first you will have to there's a skirt attached with she's already wearing the blouse and then wearing a harem. Now you'll have to put the skirt and then tie the knot to the left, and then you will have to I would have stopped the saree there, and yes, you'll have to pull it to the left and then tie up the knot. So the blouse is more like a shirt, so I don't know what was the joke we were laughing at. Now, yes, for now I have paused the saree. I'll come to the saree later. Now the scarf. You'll have to have a bun hairstyle for this, and just tie the scarf at the back like that. 2 knots will do, and put lots of bobby pins. You'll have to use, or the hairpins, what you call, no? You'll have to put it all over, otherwise it will not stay. It's a very silky material as well, it's not cotton. Now coming back to the saree, so you'll have to drape it like that and pin it at the back of your shoulder, little bit at the back, and then it should come all the way to the head, and then below the right shoulder, and then it should come there, and you'll have to pin the end over there. That's it. You'll have to pin the end at that place. Then put lots of bobby pins, put safety pins along with the scarf and the saree part. Now